Six people A, B, C, D, E and F are sitting on the ground in a hexagonal shape. All the sides of the hexagon are so formed are of same length. A is not adjacent to B or C. D is not adjacent to C or E. B and C are adjacent. F is in the middle of D and C. So which of the following is not a correct neighboring pair? Okay. Don't get confused. Look at the hints. Which are not, leave them. What is, look at it. B and C are adjacent. So try to adjust. B and C, they are adjacent. Okay. Now see here, two arrangements are possible. B and C over here also, or B and C over here also, like this also. Both the ways. Then F is in the middle of D and C. So C is over here, you got it. So D will be somewhere over here. That's why F can be in the middle, right? And in this case, F will be over here and D will be on this side, right? That's why F is in the middle. Okay. So two are gone now. Now the above ones. So see here, what have you got now? B, C, F and D you have got. Now we want A and E only. So A can be here or A can be here. But A can't be here because A is not adjacent to B or C. So A can't be here. So definitely A will be over here. Now A is here, so remaining only E. E will be here. And in this case, A is not neighboring to B or C. So A can't be over here. So definitely A will be over here. So if A is here, who will be in the middle? E will be in the middle, right? So that's why you got both the positions. So which of the following is not a correct neighboring pair? A and F. A and F, they are not neighboring. D is in between, here also. Right? So correct answer is this A1, A and F. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly.